How many cherry have here? There we go. You see?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Guys, this is all trees here. The left and right side is all the cherry trees. Vicky, come in here. Ayan, this is all the trees. The cherry trees. I show you, ha? Ayan, oh, mga cherry yan, mga kalindog. O, diba? Yun, oh. Ang dami, diba? Dito. Tapos ito, I think, this, yeah, this is also. But ito, wala. There's no fruits. I don't know why. But they're all there. It's all with fruits. With cherry fruits. So, come walk over here. Langsam. And then, ayan, mga kalindog. Yan. Ito, this is the cherry, the small. The fruit is all small, but it's really sweet. Ayan. This is also have a lot. Ayan, I show you mga kalindog. Ayan, I show you. Ayan, di ba? Very small ang kanyang, the fruits is so small, but this is all sweet. Oh, you see? Did you see all the red there? You see all red. All red is all that fruit from the cherry. This is called the wild cherry. That's why it's really sweet. Oh, yeah, mga kalindog, di ba? Did you see that? And even here, you can see that. You can see the stuff. Here we go. Yeah. Very sweet. Sweet like me. O, diba? Eat mga kalindog. That's it. This is my cherry tree. So the wild cherries. Ayan. So still. Too much. But anyway, that's it. So guys, ayan. I'm happy I eat the wild cherry fruit. So, thank you and bye. Hello guys, ayan, we have all the cherry here. You see, this is a lot of cherry. Oh, did you see guys the cherry? How big? And this, look at here. Wait, I show you. Oh my god, look at me guys. It's a little bit cold. Here, I show you guys. You see how many cherry have here? There we go. You see? This is the cherry tree. Look how to feel. Did you see guys the fruit? Cherry fruit. Oh, it's really sweet guys. It's really delicious. Charot. So ayan guys, let's pick up all the way again. Oh, see? There we go guys. So look. The cherry. Cherry. It's a lot, oh. It's really yummy. Oh, guys. Oh my god, here, oh. Guys, this is... If I can make only a marmalade, here, oh, too much. But I need to... Look at the... Oh my god. Wait. Pulling. There we go. A lot guys. See the cherry. It's really good cherry. So, oh, there's a lot guys even inside. There are, yeah, oh, there in the upstairs. Ayan o, hindi ba? Did you see that? Hitik sa bunga. Here. Too much guys. Too much cherry. So guys, so ayan, thank you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.